Have you seen the little needlework kits that they have added at Hobby Lobby? They have got a ton of these. They range in price from $1.29 to $3.99. There are a couple of punch needle kits that are closer to $6 or $7, but I was looking at the little tiny ones just to try them out, and I love how adorable these are. They are so stinking cute. I got one embroidery, I got one cross stitch. I thought we would open them up to see how they are. I'm thinking they have to be better than the Dollar Tree kits. And the price is pretty close, especially with Dollar Tree going up and up. So let's open up the Highland Cow and see what is in here. It says printed fabric, and looking at the picture, I am thinking that the horns and the nose almost have to be pre-printed on the fabric. I just wanted something cute to play with. They come with a needle, they come with floss, they come with the little plastic hoops. I am not big on plastic hoops, so I will absolutely stitch these in hand instead. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. The little cow is totally printed. And so I guess you're just supposed to stitch on top of that. That is not what I was expecting here. And the floss, it's 6-strand embroidery floss. It is pre-sorted. So you don't have to play with what shade of brown is what shade of brown, although any of us could have figured it out by the color names, I am sure. There's a needle, there's a needle threader. The instructions seem to totally leave you to your own devices. There are instructions for satin stitch and back stitch and a color guide, maybe, I guess. So I think their expectation is that you will stitch it to look like the picture. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I really thought that the piece of fabric was going to have like lines drawn for you to fill in. Not what I was expecting. I don't know for $1.99 how much I can complain. From the back of the cross stitch kit, you can see that it is stamped, and through the packaging, it looks like the stamped stitches actually match up with the squares on the Ada, which with those Dollar Tree cross stitch projects was, I don't know what they were doing. It was not cross stitch. Let's see what this looks like. So we have our tiny piece of fabric with all of the stitches printed on it. Have an identical hoop to the last kit. I get the appeal of having absolutely everything in the kit, but someone who did a bunch of these is going to wind up with a lot of hoops, unless you're using them to finish the project in. Pre-sorted floss, needle threader, and what it's going to come down to is going to be those directions, right? Hey, it's like a cross-stitch chart. It shows you what to do. It's got basic cross-stitching instructions. I'm impatient, so I got it a little bit wet, and I can tell for sure. It looks like those colors are going to wash out when you're done. I'll stitch it up. I'll let you know the final verdict, but for now, I am much more pleased with my $1.29 cross stitch kit than I am with my $1.99 embroidery kit. They're inexpensive kits. They're if you want to have something fun to play with. I could definitely see buying these for the kids if the kids want to do something easy and maybe don't have the skills yet to do counted cross stitch. I can see tucking one of these in a bag as an emergency project if you get caught somewhere unawares and need something to start. They are what they are. What do you expect for the price? If you've tried one of these, let me know. I'm curious what other stitchers think. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my Romantic Tangle. If you are curious about the Dollar Tree kits, I will leave a link to those. I don't know if they still carry them in the store. I wouldn't recommend them.